Hi my dears, welcome to my school. Are you happy? Are you fine? Okay, I think all you are very happy. Today we can discuss about first standard maths. Do you like maths? Yes. Now I am going to count the numbers from 1 to 10. ഞാൻ 1 മുതൽ 10 വരെ എണ്ണുന്ന സമയത്ത് നിങ്ങൾ ഓരോരുത്തരും എന്നോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ 1 മുതൽ 10 വരെ എണ്ണാൻ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. അതുപോലെ 1 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന സമയത്ത് here you can see a picture. When I say 2, you can see 2 pictures here. Okay, like that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we can start our lesson. Do you know the name of the first chapter? Yes, Tara's home. First of all of you take page number 6 and 7. Then you can see a picture there. Can you see the picture? What can you see in the picture? Tell me, what can you see in the picture? Yes, there are trees. Then there is a house. There are 2 hens. Only hens? No, there are 2 chicks also there. Can you see the chicks? Is there only 1 chick? No. There are 2 chicks. One is inside the coop. What is coop? It is the house of hen. What is coop? It is the house of hen. Henninte koodineയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്? coop എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. One chick is inside the coop and the other one is outside the coop. Then we can see a cow and a calf. We can see a cow and a calf. Then there are 2 jackfruit trees are there. There are 2 jackfruit trees are there. Then how many birds are there? Yes, there are 4 birds. They are flying. There are 4 birds. They are flying. How many flowers are there? Yes, there are 3 flowers. 2 coconut trees are there. Can you see the coconut trees? Yes, there are 2 coconut trees are there. One nest is hanging on the coconut tree. Can you see the nest? One nest is hanging on the coconut tree. Can you see the nest? Yes, there is a nest. There are so many coconuts are on the coconut tree. There are so many coconuts are on the coconut tree. There are 2 coconut trees are there. Are they in same size? No. One is long and another one is short. Okay. There are 2 girls. Do you know the name of that girls? We don't know the name of that girls. We don't know the name of that girls. Okay, all of you take page number 8. Here you can see the 2 girls. Now we know the names of that girls. One is Tara and another one is Meenu. Tara came to see Meenu. Tara came to see Meenu. A big cow and a small calf. Meenu പറയാണ് a big cow and a small calf. ഒരു വലിയ പശുവുണ്ട്, ഒരു ചെറിയ പശുക്കുട്ടിയുമുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ താര എന്താ പറയുന്നത്? Come on Meenu, see my നന്ദിനിക്കുട്ടി. Come on Meenu, see my നന്ദിനിക്കുട്ടി. അപ്പോൾ താരയുടെ പശുവിൻ്റെ പേരെന്താണ്? Yes, നന്ദിനിക്കുട്ടി. Come on Meenu to see my നന്ദിനിക്കുട്ടി. Okay, here you can see 2 pictures. One is cow and another one is calf. Here we have a question. Which is bigger? Which one is bigger? Put a tick mark. Which picture? Cow or calf? Which one is bigger? Big one ഏതാണ്? Which one is the big? Cow ആണോ calf ആണോ? Yes, cow is the big one. So you should put a tick mark on cow. Okay, all of you look at the next picture. Then Tara and Meenu reach near the coop. There is a chick and a hen. Can you see the chick and hen? Where is the chick? Chick is inside the coop. കൂപ്പിനുള്ളിലല്ലേ chick ഉള്ളത്? Where is the hen? Outside the coop. കൂപ്പിന് പുറത്താണ് ആരുള്ളത്? hen ഉള്ളത്. Chick is inside the coop and the hen is outside the coop. കൂപ്പിൻ്റെ പുറത്ത് ആരാണുള്ളത്? hen. And where is the chick? Chick is inside the coop. Inside the coop. കൂപ്പിനുള്ളിലാണ് ആരുള്ളത്? chick. Chick is inside the coop and the hen is outside the coop. Here also a question. What is the question? Who is inside? Who is inside and put a tick mark. Here you can see a hen and a chick. Which one is inside? Which one is inside the coop? You should put a tick mark on which one is inside the coop. ആരാ കൂടിന് ഉള്ളിലുള്ളത് എന്നാണ് ചോദിച്ചത്. ഇൻസൈഡ് മീൻസ് ഉള്ളിലുള്ളത്. യെസ്, വെരി ഗുഡ്. ചിക്ക് ഈസ് ഇൻസൈഡ് ദ coop. So you should put a tick mark on chick. Okay. All of you take page number 9. Then you can see Tara and Meenu near the tree. What are they doing there? They are looking at the tree. They are looking at the tree. Tara said, the crow's nest is on the top of the tree. There must be eggs. ഒരു കാക്കയുടെ കൂട് കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ നീ? ഒരു കാക്കയുടെ കൂട് എവിടെ ഉണ്ട്? ഈ മരത്തിന് മുകളിലുണ്ട്. Crow's nest is on the top of the tree. There must be eggs. There must be eggs. Okay? A crow's nest is on the top of the tree. A crow's nest is on the top of the tree. There must be eggs. എന്താ പറഞ്ഞത്? ആ മരത്തിൻ്റെ മുകളിൽ കാക്കയുടെ ഒരു കൂടുണ്ട്. ആ കൂട്ടിനകത്ത് എന്തായാലും മുട്ടയുണ്ടാവും. Can you see the eggs? Can you see the nest? Yes. Can you see the eggs in the nest? Yes, very good. At that time, Meenu said, look here. Here are so many ants at the bottom. Here are so many ants at the bottom. Can you see the ants? Yes. Where are they? They are at the bottom of the tree. Le? When Tara said, look at the tree, a crow's nest is on the top of the tree. At that time, Meenu said, look here. You can see ants here at the bottom. You can see the ants at the bottom. Here also we have a question. What is the question? Can you read the question? Here you can see two pictures. One is ant and another one is crow. Who is at the bottom? We have the question to put a tick mark at the bottom. We have a question. Who is at the bottom? Is it ant or a crow? Yes, very good. It is ant. Ants are at the bottom. Okay. Then look at the next picture. Tara and Meenu saw a nest is hanging on the coconut tree. There are two coconut trees are there. Are they in same size? One is tall and another one is short. One coconut tree is very tall. Another one is short. Okay. Then look at the textbook. You can see a nest is hanging on the taller coconut tree. A nest is hanging on the taller coconut tree. Can you see the nest is hanging on the coconut tree? Here you can also see two jackfruit trees are there. One is tall and another one is short. Here also we have a question. Put a tick mark on short one. Put a tick mark on short one. Here you can see two jackfruit trees are there. One is taller and another one is shorter. Which one is short one? Which is short one? Okay. Put a tick mark on the short one. The jackfruit of this big tree tastes like honey. At that time, Tara said, more jackfruits on the big tree and less jackfruits on the small tree. Can you see two jackfruit trees? Yes, one is big and another one is small. ഇവിടെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് രണ്ട് jackfruit tree കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? One is big, ഒന്ന് വലുതാണ്, and another one is small. How many numbers in big tree? How many jackfruits on big tree? Can you count? There are 11 jackfruits on the big tree. How many numbers in small tree? Only 2. Here you can see two plants. On the plants there are flowers. In which plant more flowers? In which plant have more flowers? Here we have a question which is less. Put a tick mark. Here you can see two plants which is less flowers. Which is in which plant has less flowers? Put a tick mark on less flowers. Next one is who is at the front and who is at the back? Can you see the picture? Here Tara and Meenu walking. Tara walked in front of Meenu as they went to the pond. Who is at the front? Tara. Okay. Who is at the back? Meenu. When they are walking, on the both side you can see plants. Which plants? There are two types of plants. One is spinach and another one is plantains. One is spinach and another one is plantains. There is spinach at the right side and plantains at the left side. You can see spinach at the right side and plantains at the left side. Spinach at the right side and plantains at the left side. Here also one question. Which one is at Tara's left side? Put a tick mark. Is it spinach or plantain? Which one is at the left side of Tara? Yes. Put a tick mark there. Do you know the answer? It is plantains. Very good. When they reached the pond, Tara said, look at the mountain. It is far away from here. It is far away from here. At that time, Meenu said, I want to go near it. I want to go near it. At that time, Tara said, come on. We can do it later. We can do it later. എന്താണ് ഇവിടെ പറഞ്ഞത്? അവരെവിടെ എത്തി? അവർ പോണ്ടിനടുത്തെത്തി. പോണ്ടിനടുത്തെത്തിയ സമയത്താണ് അവർ ദൂരെ, ഫാർ അവേ മീൻസ് ദൂരെ അവർ മല കണ്ടു. അപ്പോൾ മീനു പറഞ്ഞു എനിക്ക് അതിനടുത്തേക്ക് പോകണമെന്ന്. അടുത്തേക്ക് മീൻസ് നിയർ. നിയർ. ഐ വാണ്ട് ടു ഗോ near it. I want to go near it. Tara didn't allow Meenu. Okay. Here also a question for you. Which is nearer? Which one is? Which picture? Here you can see two pictures. One is pond and another one is mountain. Which one is nearer? Which one is nearer? Yes, it is pond. താരയുടെ മീനുവിൻ്റെ അടുത്തുള്ളത് ഏതാണ്? പോണ്ട് ആണോ അതോ മൗണ്ടെയിൻ ആണോ? യെസ്. യു ഷുഡ് പുട്ട് എ ടിക്ക് മാർക്ക് ഓൺ pond. Pond is near to them. Pond is near to them. Then they reached the kitchen. Mother gave them snacks. I think it is laddu. Do you like laddu? Yes. Then who got more? Do you know who got more? Count. Just count the laddus. Here we have a question. Who has more? And put a tick mark. ആർക്കാണ് കൂടുതൽ കിട്ടിയത്? താരയ്ക്കാണോ മീനുവിനാണോ? We already studied more and less. What is more? More means കൂടുതൽ. And what is less? Less means കുറച്ച്. Okay? Who got more? ആർക്കാണ് കൂടുതൽ കിട്ടിയത്? Yes, മീനുവിനാണ് കൂടുതൽ ലഡ്ഡൂസ് കിട്ടിയത്. Put a tick mark on Meenu. Next work is a worksheet for you. Meenu said, wow, beautiful dolls. At that time, Tara said, these are mine. At that time, Tara said, these are my dolls. Can you see the dolls? You have a task here. You should color the small doll. Here you can see two dolls. One is big and another one is small. These all are Tara's dolls. You should color the small one. You should color the small one. Small doll. Do you know which one is small? Yes, color it. Then all of you take page number 13. Here you can see a picture. What is that picture? Look here. What is the picture? Where is the cat? On the top of the box. And where is the rat? Where is the rat? It is at the bottom. Where is the cat? The cat is at the top of the box. And where is the rat? It is at the bottom. Where is the rat? It is at the bottom of the box. Here you have a question. Color the one on the top of the box. Color the one on the top of the box. You know which one is at the top of the box. Then you can color it. Look at the next picture. Can you see the picture? Tara is sitting in the middle of two cats. Tara is sitting in the middle of two cats. Yes. Here you have a question. Color the cat in front of Tara. Color the cat in front of Tara. എന്താ പറഞ്ഞത്? താരയുടെ മുൻപിലിരിക്കുന്ന പൂച്ചയ്ക്കാണ് നിങ്ങൾ കളർ കൊടുക്കേണ്ടത്. കളർ ദ കാറ്റ് വിച്ച് ഇസ് ഇൻ ഫ്രണ്ട് ഓഫ് താര. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? Okay, then all of you take page number 14. Two jars are here. Here you can see two jars. One is small and another one is big. One is small and another one is big. Here you have a question. Which one is small? Which one is small? Put a circle around the small one. Put a circle around the small one. Put a circle around the small one. Which one is small? You should make a circle around the small one. Okay, then look at the next picture. Here you can see two trees are there. One boy is going to school. One boy is going to school. Then here also you have a question. Here also you have a question. What is the question? You have a question. What is the question? Which tree is far? Which tree is far away from the boy? Which tree is far away from the boy? Which one is? Put a circle around the tree. Which one is far away from the boy? You should make a circle around it. Okay? Understand? Then all of you take page number 15. Here also you can see a picture. Look at the picture. There is a cat and a rat. Who is inside? Who is inside? Yes, rat. Who is at outside? Cat. Here you have a question. You should color who is outside. Color who is outside. Look at the next picture. There are two birds. One is inside and another one is outside. Here also you should color the one which is outside. You should color the one which is outside. Okay, got it? Okay, all of you look at the board. First of all, you close your textbook and look at the board. Look at the board. You can see big, small. And look at the picture. Can you identify which one is big? Can you identify which one is big? Okay. Then next word. Read it. What is this? Inside, outside. Inside, outside. Then look at the picture. Can you identify which one is inside? Can you identify which one is inside? Then next word. What is the next words? Top, bottom. Top, bottom. Then look at the picture. Which is at the bottom? Which is at the bottom? Can you identify which one is at the bottom? Okay. Then the next words. Taller, shorter. Taller, shorter. Okay. Then look at the picture. Can you identify which one is taller? Can you identify which one is taller? Do you know which one is taller? Then next words. More, less. More, less. Then look at the picture. Which is less? Which is less? Can you identify which is less? Okay. Next words. Front, back. Look at the picture. Here you can see a rat, a cat and a fish. Who is in front of the cat? Who is in front of the cat? Then the next words are far, near. Far, near. Look at the picture. Which one is far away? Which one is far away? Okay. Then all of you read with me. Big, small, inside, outside, top, bottom, taller, shorter, more, less, front, back, far, near. Once again, big, small, inside, outside, top, bottom, taller, shorter, more, less, front, back, far, near. All of you got it? അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയും കാര്യങ്ങളാണ് നമുക്ക് ഒന്നാമത്തെ ചാപ്റ്ററിൽ പഠിക്കാനുള്ളത്. ഏതൊക്കെ വേർഡ്സ് ആയിരുന്നു? ബിഗ്, സ്മോള്, ഇൻസൈഡ്, ഔട്ട്സൈഡ്, ടോപ്പ്, ബോട്ടം, ടോളർ, ഷോർട്ടർ, മോർ, ലെസ്, ഫ്രണ്ട്, ബാക്ക്, ഫാർ, നിയർ. രക്ഷിതാക്കളോടാണ്. രക്ഷിതാക്കൾ ഈ വാക്കുകൾ ഉറപ്പിക്കുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടി നിങ്ങളുടെ വീട്ടിലുള്ള സാധനങ്ങളും വീട്ടിലുള്ള സാഹചര്യങ്ങളും വെച്ച് ഈ വാക്കുകൾ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് ഉറപ്പാക്കേണ്ടതാണ്. എക്സാമ്പിൾ, നമ്മുടെ മുറ്റത്ത് 2 ചെടികളുണ്ട്. അതിലൊന്ന് ബിഗാണ്, ഒന്ന് സ്മോൾ ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ എന്ത് പറയണം? ദിസ് ഈസ് എ സ്മോൾ പ്ലാന്റ് ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ഈസ് എ ബിഗ് പ്ലാന്റ്. ഓക്കെ. ഇത്തരം ഉദാഹരണങ്ങളിലൂടെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ കാര്യങ്ങൾ ഉറപ്പിക്കാവുന്നതാണ്. മോറും ലെസ്സും നമുക്ക് ഒരുപാട് ഉദാഹരണങ്ങളുണ്ട്. ഒരേപോലുള്ള കുറേ സാധനങ്ങളും അതിൽ നിന്ന് കുറച്ച് മാറ്റി വെച്ചിട്ട് വിച്ച് വൺ ഈസ് മോർ, ഏതിലാണ് കൂടുതലുള്ളത്, ഏതിലാണ് കുറവുള്ളത്, ടോപ്പ്, ബോട്ടം, ഇത്തരം ഈ വേർഡ്സുകളെല്ലാം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നമ്മുടെ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് ഉറപ്പിക്കാൻ നിങ്ങളുടെ വീട്ടിലെ സാഹചര്യങ്ങൾ ഉപയോഗിച്ച് ചെയ്യേണ്ടതാണ്. ഓക്കെ. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും ബൈ.